I found this new trending style and I wanted to share it with you, and maybe it will give you an idea to help you create some type of product. And I share all that information inside of this video to help you understand exactly what I'm doing. And there's some really cool designs being created with this style. And before we get into the content, make sure you smash that like button, because I'll be creating more content like this to help you find unique ideas, tips and tricks, all that fun stuff. So there's a style that's trending right now, it seems like, or it's a very popular style. I want to kind of bring it to your attention and maybe give you an idea for your business, okay? And I feel like this can work in several different ways or different ideas, and I'll share them with you. And that's more of that anime style. So that's called Retro Neo Noir. I think I said that, Noir illustiousXL. I'll share this with you, give you the links. Everything that I'm sharing in this video is going to be down below in the description. But as you can see, look, it has 3,100 unique downloads, and then you're going to see over here the collection 548, and then the buzz earned 8,500. Okay, so this is pretty cool right here. Now if we come over here, you can use it. The Tensor Art, I'm testing out a few designs already. Let me see that one. I have a prompt in there that I'm going to showcase and show you in this video exactly how it works. And if we come over here too as well, this is by Zora Jina or something like that. If I'm butchering the names, my bad. But look at this, the retro art style, 90s anime style. So this is the style right here, okay? And with the amount that I'm using it right now, you could probably create over like close to like 48 to 50 images. I want to say 45 to 48 images, okay, by creating these different style of images. And you can see like that anime style, right? Pretty cool, right? Okay. And then if you come down, you can see like a related post down here, and over here you're going to see that it was the run. So it was the people, over 9,000 people ran this tool, 6 downloads. Okay, so it uploaded this version was uploaded August 3rd 2025. So if I come over here and click on this, all right, I'm going to go ahead, and so I have a prompt already up there. Let me go ahead and generate that. You're seeing that it's using 1.1 credits. Now you get 50 credits over here in Tensor Art. You get 50 free credits a day. So just to give you an idea of how many credits you get a day. Now the generating part does take a little bit of time. I'm just using it as if I'm clicking on it, going over here and just running that actual the image generator with the prompt right there. Okay, you can use it, you can edit the output of it right here by using any of this, but of course it's going to increase the credits over here. So let me go down. This is a orangutan, I messed with it right there, but I put in several different unique prompt ideas here, and I'll just show them with you. Okay, like you can see, like this is the prompt right there that I put in to generate this. All right, go down, and it created some crazy ones, huh? Like definitely some different ones, and you can see like the detail work on these. It's pretty cool. The detail work is amazing on this actual image, right? And you can see the prompt idea there. Okay, now just look at this. Okay, like I want to say like animals or anything like that, it seems to get them a little weird, because it's supposed to be a orangutan, and then not sure exactly what this creature is supposed to be, of a wonka. Okay, so I think I said that right. But more of like these style images, you can see like they're how detailed they are. You can see how they get more of like the life, like the more of like the human aspect of it, and it turns it more of like the anime style, and it does a pretty, like this one's pretty cool, right? Go down to the next one. Look at this one. All right, see the detail on the dress, pretty cool. This one got this lady with the hat, and the detail is pretty clean on this one. Look at that. Look at this one. Okay, looks like she's chained up to the chair. Looks like she got into some trouble, the desk behind her, and she looks like she's kind of sad. All right, let's go up to the one. I think she should be done creating the one that we're okay. Look at this one. It seems to be also too, I'm looking at this, the face part of it, seems to be getting, the detail seems to be a little off there. I'm not sure if you're catching that, but for the most part, like the clothing and the shadows and stuff, pretty clean, right? And this is one of those styles that are doing really good. And just thinking about like, what can you do with it? You can probably create like a book, probably create like a character book with this, or something like along those lines, or even like something with anime. Like, this will be a really good idea, a good concept to create something like this. But this is pretty cool, and like I said, you can get a good amount of generations from this. I wanted to share it with you and give give you an idea of this type of the style of it, right? This seems to be like a popular one right now. And then like implementing something like this and creating something behind it will be a good idea. Like my favorite one out of all these right here would probably be this one, and then this one right here. This one's probably like, I want to say like the number one for me. But you can see how you're able, you know, to create this right here. But pretty cool. Really cool. And this style, the style of design, or the style of the anime, is a trending style right now. I wanted to show it with you to give you an idea, and maybe you can come up with something or think about something when it comes to this. Okay, if you want to learn how I research low competition niches and find these top selling designs, watch this video right here next. Thank you very much for watching. If you're getting any value out of this, make sure you smash that like button. Peace out.